Guided Practice 1. How to make a chain scarf. Make a slip knot and chain 100. At the end of 100 chains, find the beginning chain and insert your hook in it. This is called a slip stitch. Chain once more to secure the end. Cut the working end and pull it through. End off and weave in all ends. Make 11 more of these circular chains. Once you have 12 circular chains, make another chain of 100 but do not join it. This will be your wrap. Take the last chain you made and begin wrapping it around the joined ends. Once you have your chains wrapped, weave in and knot the tails of the winding chain securely. Now that you have finished your guided practice, try the practice lesson where you will make a bracelet.